Hi, I'm George from Somerset Libraries, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own miniature books. Start off by folding the A4 paper lengthways and fold both sides into the middle. Cut along the fold lines to create 4 strips of paper. Fold the first strip in half, then in half again, and again to create 8 equally spaced sections. Repeat this with the other strips. Take the first strip and fold the first section of it away from you and work your way down the paper, alternating folds to create a concertina pattern. And now fold the other strips. Now we need to join the strips together. Glue one side and then overlap the ends to make the join. Do this with the other 2 pieces until you have one long strip of paper. The next step is to turn our folds into pages. Ignore the first page as this will slot into the cover, and put glue on the second page and fold this over onto the page next to it. Repeat this all the way along the strip, but don't glue the last 2 pages as these will go into the cover on the other side. Our book wouldn't be complete without a cover. Find an A4 sheet of coloured or patterned paper and cut out 1/4 of it. Fold this in half lengthways. Then fold it widthways, nearly to the edge. Flip it over and do the same again. This is to create a spine for the book. Fold the top and bottom of the cover into the middle, leaving a small gap. Fold the cover in half and place the pages in the middle. Use your fingers to pinch the cover to the right width. Fold along these marks and then fit the first and last pages into the cover. And you've made your miniature book. Why don't you have a go at creating your own miniature books and post a picture of them in the comments below? Make sure to follow us on social media for our latest posts, and thanks for watching.